Hey, how are you guys doing today? I'm doing good. I'm planting potatoes. This is how I'm going to plant potatoes today. No, I haven't totally lost my mind. I have rabbits, and I have a lot of feed bags that are left over. These are the really good ones that are like the grow bags. So, I'm going to do something very creative and useful with them today, instead of just tossing them like a lot of people do. Okay, I'm going to make a potato grow bag. Okay, I need to cut some holes in here down in the bottom. It's about an inch or so above the seam. Just taking my utility knife, putting through, and cutting. Why am I doing that? So when the water gets in there, it drains out the bottom, and we don't have a bag full of water because that will rot your potatoes. Okay, I'm going to go up about 6 inches, and I'm going to make some holes in there. Then I'm going to go up about 6 more, and I'm going to go offset from the ones I just made. And guys, this is going through. Just wanted you to know. And then 3 more. Being careful not to cut your hand, guys, because these utility knives are sharp. And then 2 more. Okay. Close. I'm going to open our bag. Okay. Now I'm going to start by putting some hay in the bottom of this. A lot of people mix 50-50 in a bucket or a wheelbarrow and then put it in the bags. Guys, I ain't doing that. Ain't got time for it. This will work just fine. If we can get it to cooperate. Okay, I'm going to dump some dirt in here. Shake it around and stand it up. Oh, I just heard a volunteer. Come here. Come down here. Jump off and come down. You came outside at a wonderful time without even being asked. Okay, get on this side. Okay, hold the bag so it doesn't turn over, please. What are we doing? Do you have any idea? Potatoes? No. I want to hit it to distribute the dirt around. Okay. Now I'm going to put some potatoes in there, guys. Well, no, now I'm going to put a little bit of water in here to keep it from settling so much. Just a little bit. Just barely moisten the top of the soil. I have tiny little potatoes left over from last year. We grew these last year. They're Yukon Golds. They didn't get quite as big as the other ones that we used, so I kept all these to use for seed potatoes. Now on this first layer, I'm putting one in the corner and one in the middle. Okay, now I'm going to get, Jackson, I think he'll stand up now, okay? Thank you. Thank you very much for your help. I'm going to get some more of the straw. Put 3 or 4 more inches of straw in there. Guys, I'm not using hay, even though I have hay down there at my barn. I don't want to use hay because hay's full of seeds and I don't want all that stuff growing in here. I have seen this done over and over and over on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, all the social media platforms. And theoretically, after the plants start growing, turn green, and die back, the only thing I'm going to have to do to harvest these is turn it over and pull potatoes out of the bag. We'll see. Let's get some more potatoes for another layer. Now, I'm not going to put these directly on top of the other potatoes. I'm going to offset them some. Just put 4 on that layer. And we're going to go again with the straw and again with the soil. Guys, it's just repetition. It's like making a potato lasagna. Except I wouldn't want to eat this in this state. Okay. Another layer. We'll call this the meat layer, and then the straw can be the cheese layer. What do you guys think? Bit more. Guys, I'm eyeballing this. It's not rocket science. So, and we're going to go with our 5 on this one, on the ends, and I got to get one more. And one nice one that already has a ton of growth in the center. Okay, let me add a little bit more water to this. And we're going to top it with the straw. And there you go, guys. Your homemade potato grow bag. Now, on the videos that I was watching, people took a stapler and kind of stapled this together. They said to keep the potatoes from being exposed to the sunlight, but I don't know. We'll do that just to see. So, just going to staple this together a little bit. I just don't want to keep from getting the needed rain down in there. So I'm not going to staple it as much as what they did on the instructional video that I saw. I'm going to do it as usual my way. So now that we have this in here, we have rain in the forecast for the next several days. So fingers crossed, within 7 to 10 days, I can show you green coming out of this bag. So I'm going to take it over, put it in the area that we have prepped, and get it ready to start growing. Okay, we have carried the rabbit feed bags over here, and like we did with our other potato towers, we have a rebar in the ground. We have the hay string wrapped around and tied for stability, just in case we get some really high winds again. And that is a very frequent thing here. So guys, better safe than sorry. So hopefully it won't be too long. I'm going to start seeing the potatoes coming up from here. And also from the little slits that I made in the side of the bag. But as soon as I start seeing that, I'll give you an update. So, thanks for watching. Till the next time.